Although real estate wholesalers are considered easy to deal with, they make several mistakes dealing with clients and customers. These mistakes can result in a loss or they will lead to a bad deal. Today we're going to talk about the top mistakes that real estate wholesalers tend to make. What's up guys? My name is Alex Kaufman and we own Teifke Real Estate. This is a real estate company here in Austin, Texas. We have a real estate brokerage with over 170 real estate agents. We got a property management company and we have a wholesaling company. So I know firsthand what it's like to buy deals from wholesalers and what it's like to wholesale deals myself. And today I'm going to tell you some of the mistakes that these wholesalers make. Before we continue the video, make sure to subscribe to this real estate channel. We are going to provide you with a bunch of information that you're never going to want to miss that'll help you in your career. Number one, here is the first mistake that wholesalers make, and it is a rookie mistake. First of all, a lot of them don't have money. They don't have access to capital. They can't go get a loan. They don't know how to go partner with somebody and take down a deal. So a lot of them do find good deals, and if they don't have the marketing or the connections or the relationships to go find an end buyer, they have to just drop the contract. Now, this gives wholesalers a bad name. Sellers and realtors, they all think that wholesalers are going to get this deal under contract, they're going to drop it, seller's going to have to go back on market, and it creates a whole fiasco. If you're looking to start wholesaling, you want to go find some good deals. One of the first things I'll say that you need to do is figure out a way to buy these deals just in case you can't find a buyer. I know you want to make the big paychecks and the big cash, but all the wealth in real estate is built by owning it over time. So when we're wholesaling deals, we always have multiple exit strategies. If we can't find an end buyer for the deal, we buy it ourselves if we like it that much. If not, we go ahead and drop it. Second mistake they make is they don't know how to shift with the market. So right now it's November 2022 and nobody's flipping deals right now. I've got 2 flips that are listed on the market and they're just sitting there. I do not want to go buy another deal, put some money into it, list it, and hope that I can sell it for more than what I bought it for and the money that I put into it. So nobody's flipping deals, and this is what wholesalers typically do, is they find deals, they try and promote them to flippers so that the flipper can come in, still have enough room for a profit, but hey, no flippers are buying deals right now. So what do? They don't know what to do. They don't know how to go find other deals. They don't know how to shift with the market. One thing that we're doing right now is we're finding deals, even if it's at market value, we're assuming mortgages and we're seller financing this deal to somebody else at a lower interest rate than they're going to be able to get with a bank. So if you're a wholesaler, you need to learn how to shift with the market and adjust with who's buying, what they're buying, and what the market is telling you need to do. The third mistake, and this should have been number one, is a lot of wholesalers out there don't know how to find good deals. They ship these deals out and they're not great deals. So of course no investor is going to want to buy it. Biggest mistake wholesalers make is they go get a property under contract. It's not a great deal. They send it out. Nobody wants to buy it. They end up dropping it. So wholesalers, you need to know what value is and why somebody would want to buy this value that you're trying to sell to them. A lot of people just think that if they go and get a property under contract off market, they mark it up 5-10K, send it out to everybody, that somebody's going to want to buy it. Well, it's just not true. Especially right now when the market's shifting, you need to find really good deals and add value to it in some sort of way. That way an end buyer will take it off your hands. Fourth mistake that wholesalers make is they don't have a disposition plan. So they got a deal under contract, they think they hit the lottery, and then they don't know what to do. Who's going to buy this deal? Where are they going to find the buyers? Where are the investors at? You know, if you're in Facebook groups or anywhere on Instagram in a real estate community, they got investor written right there in their description, but they may have never bought a deal before. Most people in the Facebook groups, I was talking to somebody yesterday and he called them aspiring investors. They may have never actually bought a deal before. So they an actual investor? Maybe not. A lot of people may waste these wholesalers' time saying, hey, yeah, let me check out the property. They really don't know what they're doing. They may not actually be able to take down the deal, and it's a problem. So if you're a wholesaler, don't make that mistake. Don't ship this out to all these aspiring investors. Go find a few people who you know are true investors. They got the cash, they're ready to take action, and make sure you make those connections and bring them good opportunities. Don't waste their time. Wholesalers, the bad marketing, not having connections, it's a big mistake. These mistakes need to be avoided. But even after knowing all these mistakes, if you have questions, then that's where I come in. I'll answer all your questions, just drop them below, and I promise to personally respond. Thanks again for watching today. Do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.